this term, and when I first saw it, I didn't really think anything of it. I figured I just didn't know exactly what they meant. It is a commonly used phrase, so I didn't really think much of it until I started to notice that any type of content I would see that primarily depicts a black person in a negative light, or even has the proximity to
something that you think you think the light is negative, but you are just fragile, soft, corny. That's what you are, bro. You are averse to candor. You are averse to honesty. You are averse to logic, to rationality, to rationality, to truth. You are averse to that, so you call anybody that disagrees a bigot, a racist. Just keep it a buck, man. Just say you are a snowflake, bro. Just it.
To notice that.
But they don't ever they fail to admit, bro. They fail to take accountability, bro. The wokeness,
the proximity to depicting a black person,
including the white saviors, they fail to take accountability, bro, for the BS that they push, for the narratives the false narratives that they push on a daily basis.
That any type of content